Now, luxury car maker Rolls-Royce will expand its Goodwood factory and global headquarters to meet the growing demand for bespoke models. Rolls-Royce will invest more than 300 million sterling pounds so it can build more highly customized versions of its cars for its super rich client. Now, here are the details of this and other stories making headlines in the globe.
Royce sold 5,712 cars in 2024, down from its record of 6,032 in 2023. While those numbers may seem tiny compared with the millions of cars delivered each year by mainstream manufacturers, Rolls-Royce operates in a highly rarefied market. There are relatively few buyers who can afford to buy a Rolls-Royce. Among those who can are celebrities who often do not mind flaunting their wealth. For some customers, simply owning a Rolls-Royce isn't exclusive enough. In recent years, the company has increasingly focused on building highly customized versions of its cars, which can then be sold at even higher prices. Meanwhile, Meta is abandoning the use of independent fact-checkers on Facebook and Instagram, replacing them with X-style community notes while commenting on the accuracy of posts is left to users. Meta Chief Executive Mark Zuckerberg said third-party moderators were too politically biased and it was time to get back to our roots around free expression. The move comes as Zuckerberg and other tech executives seek to improve relations with US President-elect Donald Trump before he takes office later this month. Trump and his Republican allies have criticized Meta for its fact-checking policy, calling it censorship of right-wing voices. Finally, crude oil prices rose on Wednesday as supplies from Russia and OPEC members tightened, while data showing an unexpected increase in U.S. job openings pointed to expanding economic activity and consequent growth in oil demand. Brent crude rose 0.5% to $77.42 a barrel, while the U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude climbed 0.6% to $74.69 a barrel.